Today we are going to learn how to change the background of the video in CapCut. This is a method where we don't need any green screen, so follow my steps and watch this video until very end. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. So first, open the CapCut and simply tap on Create a new project. And after that, start by adding the background video you want to use. And after that, add your main video by clicking on the overlay button, and after that selecting on add overlay, and this will open your photo gallery, and from there you can choose your main video. And once you have added your main video, you can zoom in slightly to make sure that the overlay fits the background video. And now with the overlay selected, find the remove background option and simply click on that. And after that you can either tap on auto removal or custom removal. But remember, auto removal needs a pro version of CapCut. So in this video we're gonna tap on auto removal, and after tapping on that, the CapCut will remove the background from your main video, leaving the only subject in front of your chosen background. And finally, you can export your edited video to your photo gallery and share it on social media. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.